everybody, my name is jynelltrail. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will be doing some crochet distress locks, and this here is by Leeven. Here I'll leave their name on the screen. So today I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I install it and the braiding pattern that I'll be using. So in total I got 6 packs of their distress here, their crochet distress locks here. So this is what it looks like. Super pretty, super bouncy, you know, nice, cute, whatever. Yep. So this is what the hair looks like. I'm showing you guys what the hair looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair so you guys can see the braiding pattern that I'm using. And yeah, but first, before getting into braiding my hair, this hair came with this crochet hook. This is new. This is a new crochet hook. I've never seen this one before, but it came with a crochet hook, and I think, yeah, it also came with some mink lashes and also some rubber bands and hair accessories.
Beautiful day, I'm smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts can align.
So now for the braiding pattern, I'm gonna go ahead and part a section off from the front of my hair. I'm gonna separate the front from the back, as you guys can see.
It's you, yeah, boy, the one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and do some small braids at the front, and I will be taking my style factor edge booster just to clean up the parts. And as you guys can see, my hair is damaged beyond repair. So I'm trying to take care of it as best as I can, but I think I'll just let it all go. So now I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair. As you guys can see, I'm doing some smaller braids at the front, and then so this is what my braids look like at the front, and I'm gonna go ahead and do some bigger braids in the back. Not so big, but like, you know, medium size, like, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid those. I'm gonna add the front braid to the back braid.
Do you want to know?
And when doing this style, your braids or the parts in the back does not have to be perfect. They're not gonna be showing. So, you know, just go ahead and braid the hair as best as you can. And yeah.
It's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along?
So now that I have all my braids, I'm gonna go ahead and take my crochet needle. I'm gonna crochet that little loose braid that you see right there. I'm gonna crochet through the braids just to, you know, keep it there, and it's not gonna move once you crochet it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of conceal that just so it doesn't show in my crochet braiding here.
There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day.
So now for the installation of the hair, you guys already know how to do crochet because I have like tons of videos on how to crochet. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the hook under my braid. Then I'm gonna attach it to the hair. Then I'm gonna put it through, not all the way through, because as you guys can see, the distress braid is big, so I do not want to pull that underneath my braid, or that's gonna result in breakage, and I am not trying to do any more damage to my hair. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm pulling the braid and pushing the crochet hook under the hair, attaching it to the braid, to the crochet here. Then I'm gonna pull it through and then take the end of the braiding here, the crochet here, I keep saying braiding here, of the crochet here, and pull it through the hoop. Just in case you guys didn't get it when I was explaining it, because I know it's kind of confusing, but just watch the video and I promise you'll get it.
The way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains, I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy.
So once I have all my braids in, I'm gonna go ahead and do my little chips of edges that I have right here. Even though my hair has grown a lot from this video, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Style Factor Edge Booster and go ahead and mold my edges or do my edges or whatever you guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my edges. Then once I have my edges done, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the finished look. This is what everything, this is how everything turned out, and I must say I love it. This here is like it's listen, this here is summer. It's summer here. It's giving me summer vibe. Yeah, so I'll leave all the link to this, I'll leave all the information about this here in the link below, along with some other links or some other crochet here that you guys can check out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn your post notification bell on, and I will definitely catch you in my next video. Bye, girl.